Where are we going today?
I'm gonna take you to the edge of the empire. It's 59 miles, hour and a half. We're on our way to visit one of my favorite shops and help them have a productive day. Dude, look, we got a Midas man. Dude, look at this, they're using way too much. Let's test. Nope, it's 2. We got a problem. I have to talk to them about this. It's a pretty easy one.
What was that?
It's a pretty easy one to do.
Yeah, just the clips in the back sometimes.
Have you seen the sculpture, the robot?
Yeah, the Midas Man.
Is that you?
No, that's been there for
Could you make one?
a long time. Yeah.
Do we have any scrap? We could try to make something.
Right this second?
I mean, this could potentially be the head for this thing. Yeah, it's like what gets balance.
Like that. That'll balance.
What are you guys doing with the final product?
I don't know, we'll put it out there.
Oh, okay.
Your guy needs a friend.
Yeah.
Oh, so it'll be a little family then with
Yeah, we have
the pet.
family of the pet.
Yeah.
Here, let's go check on that other one. Dude, no firearms. People in the comments hate our no firearm policy. They don't realize we get some crazy people. Okay, little springs. All right, I got some game. Let me check. It's male or female? Dude, I like how they had to chain it up, like someone's gonna come and steal it. Can you imagine someone sitting here drinking their New Amsterdam vodka,
Throwing it with pack through the butt.
hanging out with Rusty?
I don't want to spark you. That shirt looks awfully
This is-
flammable.
Polyester at its best, you know? That'd be pretty wild to get caught on fire. From
Dude, great thumbnail.
yeah.
That'd be great content.
Yeah, I'll do the next one. Give me a thing so I don't blind myself.
Oh yeah, I'll give
No
you
workers comp for me.
Yeah.
pretty much point and shoot with this gun. This is the easier of the welders to use. That should be pretty good.
You think I got enough? It's
Yeah,
contact
go ahead,
though?
you can do a little more in there. Make sure you... I think we got a face.
Alright.
Success. How'd it feel?
It's good, my first time welding. I don't know if they'll hire me after this. It's pretty funny. You go blind. It goes dark as soon as you do it. It like you can't see anything but the flame.
It's definitely humanoid.
Back in the junk pile because that's all rusty. I'm not touching that. I have my limits. Safety first.
Are you gonna saw it?
No. Fridge tour. This thing's old, man. Bag of ice, waffles. Ew, I don't know what that is. Do one burger. Oh man, this was terrible. It's a mystery orange. Squeeze, taste, butter. It's good. It's a good one. We got our
Whoa, George Coleman?
George Coleman, El Papi.
Little barbecue.
It's good. It's good. You could have it going like one down and one up, like the Mr. Slinky. That's the better waiver, though.
Just like stupid.
I think good height wise. Is it? It's okay that it's lower. I guess so.
Yeah, who cares?
Okay.
Asymmetry, it looks cool. I
Yeah,
think it's
yeah.
cool like that. Do you guys like our visit so far?
Pretty fun. Yeah. It's not the typical what you expect visit, so I like this. We get to all learn something. We got a little welding in.
There you go. I learned
Makes
something.
it- yeah, it's a much more friendly environment. You know, I like it. Slow it down. Why are you driving like a maniac?
Tesla.
Dude, Tesla drivers are the worst.
Yeah.
Oh my God, is that lady gonna take the other spot?
Ooh, watch out, this guy.
Oh my God, we almost hit somebody.
This is gonna drive sales.
This is gonna drive a lot of sales.
A lot of people love that one. Like they
Yeah.
stop, just walk or by, or will take pictures with it. So
I was thinking we should paint them
that'd be cool.
like a bright color so people see them.
Yo,
You know how to paint, right?
yeah,
Yeah.
You think you can pull that off?
Pull this off.
If we have, well, for the
Pretty cool,
for the
man.
letters, we need like actual.
Yeah,
there
the
was a
letters.
Midas
But
stencil
whatever. We
around
could
here.
Yeah, we could paint that easy like that.
You know what I'm
Ask ChatGPT.
See, that other guy discovered ChatGPT.
I know. Life just changed.
Life just changed.
Dude, pretty sick. Yeah, I'll clean your sink.
Oh no, no, I'll clean it.
No, it's fine. It's fine.
Wait, the bathroom.
No, this one.
Oh, okay, yeah, the idiot texting. Got it.
I did at Wing Gap the other day. It turned out great. You just get really hot. Oh yeah, look at this. Dude, this is gonna work great. Look at this. You barely have to touch it.
That sink is from
Look at
1970.
This is like an ad. It's coated in clean stuff. You just gotta show it a little bit of love.
Not that I knew you were coming or anything, but I wanted to make sure, you know, we were decent. I even brought my, as soon as we closed,
This is decent.
had my, no, not, I don't, I refuse to touch back there. Because the techs are savages.
What's the most expensive fish you own?
The one peacock bass I have is the most expensive.
How much is that?
He's like 2 feet long almost at this point, and the reason he was so expensive it was like $1,500, and they get this big bump on their head.
If it's a male or
If
female?
If it's a male, they'll get this huge hump on their head. called a cock, and I,
Looks good.
The sparkly, like.
No, if they don't keep it there, they're fired. I'm just kidding.
We'll be back next
I'm just kidding, yeah.
you know,
Do you like Wingstop?
we like everything. We're not picky here.
We do whatever, I don't care.
And the fact that you're fronting the bill, like, let's go. I buy these guys lunch every single day because I want them to work hard and be full. And sometimes they work a little harder when I feed them. So guess what? It helps me. I'll help them.
What'd you guys
And
buy?
it does keep the morale
Spending
up.
money on Snap-on boxes. So.
It's ridiculous.
He
Let's be
talked,
real.
he talked me out of it one time. I was thinking about getting. He's like, don't get that.
Yeah, he was looking at like what was it, like 12 or 15 grand the box?
Yeah, it was like a midnight purple trim and it was black. I liked it. And then it's
He's still thinking about it. He's still thinking about it.
Do you hate working on anything on a car?
Yeah.
What?
Some cars are enjoyable though. Some cars just suck to work on. I mean, in my opinion, nobody likes new tires. I see it as like mindless busy work.
Yeah,
Kind of degrading.
yeah, you're good. Dude, you can't never forget the tag lights.
Nope.
It's $15 right there. Yeah, it looks pretty good. Dude, he's got these random like hooks and shit. The boob job potential we got. All right, so final step of our muffler person is we got to color it. We got to spray it. So our plan went through ChatGPT here, got a pretty good rendering. We're gonna do yellow body, we're gonna do red down here. We're gonna try to get some sort of fade and a red hat. And so we got the spray paint, it should work, metal, and let's get to it. Dance with me.
Put them in a stretch.
Gotta wipe them down a little bit, you know, clean them up. Dude, like drips though.
Well, it's because, do you know how to spray paint?
No. So here's my idea for the head here.
Yeah, exactly like that.
Yeah. This is like the first time I spray painted in my life, right? So
I know,
Don't
yeah,
don't judge me.
I'm...
Oh my god. That's pretty
That's
good.
exactly what it is. How's spray painting?
All right, part one done. First time I ever spray painted anything, and I didn't get it on me, so that's good. Oh man, look at the side here that we missed. Just in there. Just after I said it, how I didn't get any on me.
It does look like murder.
I think it's looking good. Soon enough, this guy's gonna be doing
Yeah.
mufflers for us.
Yeah.
Dude, I
What's
text
his name? We have to name it together.
Melvin.
Well, you
the
guys have to
Muffler
name
Man.
it.
Melvin.
Melvin the Muffler Man. Melvina.
Alvita.
Melvina.
Could be Melissa.
Yo, the crazy part is, now I realized I only tacked on a little bit, you know, with this, because it was holding good enough. No one thought we were gonna slam it. But all that broke. Brian's well's held, baby.
Let's go. Let's go.
Let's go. Do we get an M yet cut out or no?
We tried an M. I don't know.
It probably looks like right?
It might look like ass.
It looks like a.
It looks like an M.
I mean, it definitely is an M.
Worst case scenario, you just paint over it.
No, best case scenario is we still leave it and it looks like a weird emblem on there.
Guys, got bad news. I don't know if we'll be able to finish Muffler Man today because we got so busy with work. Sold this job. How much was this job? Do you know?
Yeah, we're shocked this way, Marley. I don't like this stuff.
Sorry. This one, we got an exhaust repair. Save this lady $2 grand probably. Easily.
Easy.
So you got one exhaust repair. These are great welds up in here. Oh, that's beautiful.
How much is a part like that?
I mean, it could be $2 grand. Depends on. I don't know. We didn't price it out, but
This is like what?
yeah.
250, I think.
Yeah, 250 bucks. That one's a brake check, that one's inspection. So as much as I would love to get Merlin, the Muffler Man, fixed today, I don't know. We gotta make some money.
Should be dry.
Yeah, it should definitely be dry by now. There we go. This thing's sick. People want to ask me what I do all day.
You bring life.
Yeah, just trying to have some fun. Pretty sick, doesn't it?
Are you fire patrol?
Yeah, I'm fire protector. So tempting not to squirt you with this hose. His gears were good. His bearings were good. A good find.
Like, you know what this fucking reminds me of? Man, what that stupid ass movie is?
It's robots.
Robots.
I've been thinking that the whole time.
Top or bottom, yep.
Yeah. And Big Weld. Dude, we gotta throw him out with his friend.
Yeah, I'll just try. It'll look bad. You'll know it's mine. Well, it's not terrible. good enough.
Yeah, let's go.
Go, dude.
Let's go.
I mean, my T and your B look the exact same. So
I know. Yeah, they're pretty much identical. All right, want to get them out there? Then we can wheel them out of there, and then customers be like, "Why aren't they fixing my car?"
no, we have no. Everyone's working on the cars that are here.
I've been waiting here for 2 hours.
I saw 2 of them.
Been here a long, long time.
I've got a friend in you. Oh, it's like his son. I didn't realize how much bigger that other one was.
Oh yeah.
All of the day's work.
Yeah. Now we got busy. All right, success. He's got a friend. Little Melvin the muffler man.
It's Merlin. Is it Melvin or Merlin?
Oh, Merlin or Melvin? I don't know. Whatever. They could be both. Use your imagination. Anyway, if you enjoyed hanging us today and you want to see another video, check out this one.